Imagine waking up one day to see a video of yourself announcing your retirement, only you never did. Welcome to the world of deepfakes. In this fascinating yet somewhat unnerving sphere, technology is wielded like a double-edged sword. Deepfake technology, powered by advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, has the potential to fabricate incredibly realistic videos of people doing things they never did. It's like stepping into a digital hall of mirrors where reality is distorted and manipulated to create a convincing illusion. This technology has seen a rapid surge in the past few years, making its way from the obscure corners of the internet to the mainstream media, stirring up a whirlwind of possibilities and concerns. The implications of deepfakes are profound, extending beyond harmless pranks and entertainment to potential misuse in spreading misinformation, political propaganda, and even cybercrime. Now that we've understood what deepfakes are, let's delve into how they work. Deepfake technology employs artificial intelligence in quite a fascinating way. Let's break it down to its basics. The word deepfake is a blend of deep learning and fake, and deep learning is a branch of AI. It's a process that involves feeding a machine a large data set of images. Then the machine learns to identify patterns and features in these images. Imagine it like this. You're teaching a toddler how to recognize a cat. You show them hundreds of pictures of cats, different breeds, colors, sizes, and angles. Over time, the toddler learns to identify what makes a cat a cat. The same principle applies here, but with a machine and a whole lot more images. The machine uses a type of algorithm called a generative adversarial network, or GAN for short. This is essentially two AI systems working against each other. One, the generator, tries to create new images, while the other, the discriminator, tries to distinguish between the generated images and the real ones. The generator starts by creating an image based on the patterns it has learned. The discriminator then evaluates this image, comparing it to the real images it has in its dataset. If the discriminator can't tell the difference, the generator has done a good job. If the discriminator can tell the difference, the generator needs to try again, learning from its mistakes. This process continues in a loop, with the generator constantly improving its creations based on the feedback from the discriminator. Over time, the generator becomes so good at creating images that the discriminator can't tell the difference anymore. That's when you have a deepfake. What's captivating about this is the level of detail the AI can capture, from facial expressions to subtle movements. It can even mimic a person's voice, making the deepfake video seem incredibly realistic. But what about the data set, you might ask? Well, the larger and more diverse the data set, the better the deepfake. That's why celebrities, with their plethora of images and videos available online, often become the victims of deepfakes. As you can see, the process is complex, but the results can be shockingly realistic. Deepfakes, while alarming, also hold a lot of potential for various industries. This might come as a surprise, given the often negative connotation associated with the deepfakes. Yet, like any tool, the value of deepfake technology depends on how it's used. Imagine the film industry, where deepfakes could revolutionize the way we create visual effects. No longer would we need to rely solely on expensive and time-consuming CGI techniques. Instead, deepfake algorithms could generate realistic scenes or characters, breathing new life into post-production processes. Imagine the possibility of resurrecting legendary actors for new performances, or creating more convincing stunt doubles without putting anyone at risk. In the realm of education, the potential of deepfakes is equally exciting. Picture students learning history from virtual renditions of historical figures, brought to life by deepfake technology, or language classes where students can practice conversations with AI-generated native speakers, tailored to their learning level. The possibilities for immersive, interactive learning experiences are vast and promising. Yet, while these applications shine a positive light on deepfakes, it's important not to overlook the potential for misuse. As deepfake technology becomes more accessible, so too does the risk of it being used to create harmful or misleading content. The power to manipulate reality in such a convincing way carries with it the potential for serious consequences, from fake news and political propaganda to cybercrime and personal exploitation. As we venture further into this brave new world of AI-generated content, it's crucial that we navigate its complexities with a keen sense of ethics and responsibility. In the end, deepfake technology is a double-edged sword. Its potential is exhilarating, but the risks it presents are equally daunting. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, we must do so with an eye towards safeguarding truth and authenticity, even as we push the boundaries of what's possible. The power of deepfakes lies in their ability to blur the line between reality and fiction, but with great power comes great responsibility. While deepfakes hold potential, they also pose a significant threat to our society. Their capacity to create ultra-realistic manipulations gives rise to a range of ethical and legal concerns. Imagine a world where any spoken word, any action, could be convincingly attributed to you without your consent. This could be used to spread misinformation, create political discord, or even discredit individuals on a public platform. In the wrong hands, deepfakes could become a powerful tool for character assassination or propaganda. It's not just about impersonating celebrities anymore. It's about the potential to disrupt the very fabric of truth and trust in our society. We are at a crossroads where the line between reality and artificiality is becoming increasingly blurred. This calls for a robust framework of legal and ethical guidelines to prevent misuse. As we continue to advance in technology, it's crucial that we also advance in our understanding and regulation of such technologies. Deepfake technology, like any other technology, is a tool. How it impacts our society largely depends on how we choose to use it. In our exploration today, we've peeled back the layers of this enigmatic technology, revealing how artificial intelligence algorithms can manipulate video content in extraordinary ways. The potential of deepfakes is immense, offering exciting avenues in entertainment, education, and beyond. Yet this power comes with grave responsibilities. The implications of deepfakes are profound, posing risks to personal privacy, social trust, and even our democratic processes. As we stand at the precipice of this new era, understanding the mechanics, power, and dangers of deepfake technology is crucial. The need for effective regulation and ethical guidelines is clear, but more than that, it's about fostering a culture of digital literacy and skepticism, where we question, verify, and think critically about the media we consume. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, we must strive to be informed, vigilant, and responsible digital citizens.